What you just said again. Who would be the person in charge of, or something like that?
Yeah. Who might handle, or who might be the best contact to, you know, handle accounts receivables and yada yada yada.
I get it. I used to ask the same question, and I kept getting the same answers over and over again. Just email me your stuff, and if it's a fit, we'll reach out to you, right? Here, the problem is whenever you ask who, snitches, they get stitches, right? Unless you are brand new to the front desk or wherever you're answering the phone and haven't been, ow, yeah, don't give my name out anymore to salespeople. Smacked around like that once or twice, you're not going to give the name out. So who questions are bad questions to ask. Just switch your who to a where. Hey, I had a couple ideas for you guys. We work with some of the top fitness groups in terms of their collections, and there's a little secret that a lot of those top operators are passing along with each other in terms of getting those annual subscriptions collected. Where would I go to share something like that? Oh, you need to go to Jen. Jen's the bomb. Jen S. Yeah, let me give you Jen's mobile number. I'll give you her email. Do you want her email? That'd be great. Tell her Tina's great. When you switch the who to a where, where's the bathroom? Where do I park my car? Where did I leave my orange thing? People answer where questions reflexively. People answer who questions defensively. People answer where questions, who did that? Right? Where's the bathroom? Oh, it's there. Bathroom's there. Don't go in there. That's the janitor's closet. The bathroom's right there. So switch your who to a where. And then again, make sure you're weaving it into your Easton process and you're not saying, I'd like to learn a little bit about your business, or I'd like to show you how we can save you money, or I'd like to show you how we're better at collections. Hey, there is something going on that every small to mid-sized business in Oklahoma's having to deal with, and nobody is talking about it, right? It has to do with collections and money that you guys are giving up on and walking away from that could be recovered. I just wanted to make sure your team was aware of it, because this could mean a couple $100,000 for you guys, whether you did business with us or not. Where would I go to give that little secret out, right? Oh, talk to Chuck. He's our business owner. They'll be more likely to answer it. So I think the Easton cold calling, the ECCP cold calling and prospecting course is really going to help you on this, because we have to be systematic with this, right? And we have to have a process with this. Otherwise, we just keep running into a brick wall. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.